If it wasn't broke,
You have to check and make sure everything's working properly. We get in depth. See, it's loose. I just noticed it's loose. See that?
yeah.
Only we do this crap.
Hold on, I got to take a pause for a minute and focus in on the noise in the background.
That's my radio.
The
It's
man
proud.
goes out of his way.
to get a brand new
To find-
1953 radio.
Who does this?
I wanted to know what time it was.
You got a clock in here now.
And then it fell down and chipped, and I'm at
Oh, that ain't right.
WBBM-FM.
That ain't right.
But anyways, why am I here?
So this is cool. Let's give them an update on what we've done here. I like what we've done here.
Spaghetti?
Absolutely clean this thing. Like, man, it got a
You got a bath.
clean up, man.
Well, we took everything all the way to the board, as you're going to see.
Yes, they already saw it.
You already saw it, okay?
The clown stripped it. I left the clown alone for one night, and I guess he's feeling better because he gutted this thing down to the case.
That's right, the case. So we got the new power supplies in there. We had 4 other ones in there that were okay. These are 3 100s. Gives you a lot more room to work around. They're easy to install. A lot less wire going on here. This is going to be very simple to hook up over here for the power. Got to think about what I'm going to do for the fuse. But anyways, so we strapped this in with a nice heavy aluminum strap. They ain't going nowhere. You put a rubber piece in here so it tightens down nicely. Doesn't hurt the power supplies because it's padded. So we got the new power leads coming up from underneath here
Oh, I like that.
with the chokes.
Yes.
The power pad was over here before. This board was not bolted down. You see these here?
Yes.
It was not bolted down at all. It was flipping around, so that's never going to move again. It's screwed into the case over here. Everything's grounded properly. We got 3 grounds coming, one from each power supply, one here, one there, one over here, instead of all just right here. You got 3 powers coming up, going to this new power strip. We got them going to the back of each transformer, the 4 power leads over there. So pretty much, there's a lot more, okay? But for right now, that's what I'm telling you. I got to hook up all the switches. I got to hook up the variable. I don't know. I'm not going to hook up the variable. Sorry. We took the 1 pill out. There was a 1 pill in here, or 2 pill section. And here we took out. It's right there. A bye-bye. Because this is going to be biased. It had bias in here. Like we said before, it had 1 resistor in here that was sitting over here somewhere.
Where'd it go?
It had 1 resistor in here for the bias system on all 8 pills. We're going to put at least 2.
Oh, it's up there.
Yeah, so this is the resistor that was in it. And I don't typically use these anyway, but we're going to get 2 resistors. We're going to put those in here, resend the bias, hook the bias up, hook up the power. We're pretty close actually right now to getting this thing back going again. And it should run pretty darn good. It'll be a lot cleaner. It'll have all the power it needs with these power supplies. They'll do 150 amps with 110. They'll do 225 amps with 110. And these are pretty true to what their ratings are. You know what I mean? And it'll do 300 amps on 220. And you can plug it into either one because it automatically reads what you're plugging it into. You don't have to switch them like the other ones.
Right.
These are more commercial grade power supplies. These are the ones people have been talking about.
We cleaned up back here too. Regrounded both the SO239s.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, man, I got it right. Fix that all up. Put some new ground tabs on there.
You usually call these whatchamacallits.
Yeah, those are SO902s or something.
Yes, SO902s. So he put new grounds down to the board, soldered them down, so the board's already secured back there too. The board was sagging, so it helped bring this board up. We brought the board up, so now we'll get that airflow going straight out. It won't come back into the board. We almost got that 100% done. Went over a lot of this other stuff. Put these back where they were supposed to be. We're going to work on this coil here. We took this out completely, cleaned it completely up. Now we just put it back in, hooked everything up. The antennas, the pass-through, the input and output through the board. The coil's hooked up again back here. I will see how this coil works. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It was working before, so that's hooked up again. Got the power hooked up for that. Got the keying circuit hooked up for that. So we're coming along pretty good, you know.
Yeah.
This is the power supplies. This is for connecting them together. Here's the output power. The input's over here. We're still working on that. But yeah, it's coming along. We'll hook up the voltage meter again.
Yes.
Other than that, that's it.
Okay, we'll be back.
Have a nice day. Cutters. Just cut the thing right off. I want my little cutters back. They hate me.
Tools.
It hates me.
Somebody hates me. We're in the clown factory, and he cleaned up a little bit. Looks a little better around here.
Come
Moved
on,
it-
give me a little break, will
Move
ya?
this back a little bit. Made a little more elbow room over there on that side.
Bing, body, bing, ding, ding, ding. Sandra? Gets messy quick, though, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, oh yeah, it doesn't take much. And he's working on this here cuz box.
Why are you working on it?
Well,
'Cause?
cuz. That's all.
'Cause I want to.
It's looking good too.
Oh, man.
Cleaned up
it's-
real nice.
It's not the same box, I can tell you that one.
Mm.
Do the bias in here. I'll actually hook it up so we could run it. We could just do it for looks, you know what I mean? Or we could run it.
Right.
Either
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
But we lost about 20 pounds of wire.
Yeah.
It's a lot lighter.
Yeah, it lost some weight.
Yes, and it's going to be 110 box, so I'm not going to be too worried about the fusing aspect of it.
Right.
But it should work very, very nicely for this man.
Yeah. Okay. We'll be back. Yeah, got a headache.
Why don't you take something?
I don't know.
I mean, don't just carry drugs with you.
I probably should, but you know. So, explain to the peeps.
Pips?
Explain to the pips what's going on with this particular box, because this is a little behind the scenes things for you guys that you never get to see, which is
And we don't record it because we use vulgar language because we get very upset when this stuff happens. It's just doing weird things. I get it working and it blows a pill. And then this is built, you know, like they used to be built, where they jam the pill strips right up against the pills.
right.
So you try to get them out and you can't. So, you know, you can, but it's very difficult. And I don't like the pill strips now because we heated them up a couple times. So we went from having to change one pill to now you got to pull out everything. I
we
literally got to pull all this out.
have to pull the whole 4-pill section out and re-pill strip it so we can put new pills in there.
Plus, it's doing something here. It's doing something.
Right.
And I need to figure out what it is. There's no reason it should blow a pill. It was working beautiful. I mean, I was talking it, bam, bam, and then it just blows a pill. Why? Can you tell me?
Nobody knows.
You okay? Here, check that.
Oh, that's the 1000. Yeah, that could be.
They don't make them like they used to.
That's a little baby 1000 they got on there.
You know I don't like that,
We
right?
must test those. Why not?
I like the metals.
Why? What's the difference?
I'm old school. Man.
Doesn't Danny use these?
I don't care who uses them.
If Danny uses them, they gotta be.
And
Proven.
his are bigger. These are like little.
It's a little nicer, probably. Yeah.
I don't know. I have no idea the voltage or anything on these. I got to try and look them up.
Right. Yeah. I don't know.
I don't know the
500.
capacity or the load or I know nothing.
Correct, boy wonder.
And you know, if you don't have something right, you're gonna blow a pill, man.
True that.
Do you dig what you're saying?
I know what you're saying. I'm gonna get out the meter and I'm gonna test those, and I'll be back.
Meter? Wait, you have to get the
Lovely meter.
Good luck
meter
with that.
maid. What?
I have my old time meter here for the pills. You know that, right?
Oh yeah, we'll use that for the pills. But
I
I
brought
want.
it down, man. I bought the new high tech meter. I brought it down.
Where is it?
It's over there, right at the end of the table, in the
So-
box.
It's over by there in the table.
The new one, the high
This
tech one.
this is our new pill tester. We're gonna be using from now on.
New high tech one.
It's top of the line brand. new. You got it buried and stuff, man. You're abusing this thing.
That's how I take care of things.
Good Lord in the quarter, man. Getting scratched and whatnot.
Scratch them out.
Yeah, this is our new
What
one.
movie is that from?
I don't know. Actually, scratch them
There's
out.
that little red car.
That's what we're gonna be using from now on to check the
You know what I'm
pills.
talking about?
Drives a red car.
Drives
Scratch
a
him.
car like this big. He's a mouse.
Oh yeah.
And then their cat, and they're going somewhere to find somebody or save the world, and
Yeah, what is the name of that?
then there's another cat, alley cat, and
Yeah.
he goes, "What are you
Yep.
gonna do with him? I'm gonna scratch him out."
Scratch
He's
them
like,
out.
He's like some kind of mafia cat.
Right. Yep.
I thought it was pretty interesting how they use that, cat thing.
I can see you're still in the kid movies because you have a grandbaby around here.
Well,
I haven't seen that movie in
I
about
didn't. I
18
just,
years.
I just watched it when no one's looking.
Oh, you watch them? I'll be right back. I'm going to go check something.
Have a nice day. I don't like these blue resistors, so I didn't have to use them.
So I checked these little 1000s. They're good. They're right on. Checked them with that. And then he took all 4. Where's this camera at? He took all 4 pills out. And I got to test these, but watch this. Watch this. See what we deal with behind the scenes? Look at this.
Junk.
The tab just fell off.
J-U-N-K.
Look, it just fell off.
There goes another $400.
So that's, we don't charge a customer for that because...
It's happening when it happens.
Right. So we eat it and then we lose money and then that's why we don't want to do this anymore. So that one's a goner. I'm going to test it anyway just to see if it's still good, but it's no good. And because, nothing's made like it used to be.
That never happened with Toshibas.
Never.
I mean, it'd have to be your fault.
Right. So let me get the tester out. Lovely meter maid. I had to move away from the bench because the light is so bright over there you can't see our little light. So I got a pill hooked up to our nice new pill checker. And so you turn this on. And I don't know if you see the light, but it kind of gets brighter and brighter, showing you if it's good or bad. And right about 30, it goes off. That means it's good. It's good. That one's good. Got to do another one. Got another one on there. She's good. Say, homie D-Clown.
What do you want from me?
What happened?
If I'm going to tell you, I might as well make sure I'm clear.
What happened here, ladies and gentlemen, on the back side of this little capacitor? The little thing came off and it shorted out the entire box.
Excellent. And this is probably why we don't really...
Is that clear enough?
I don't know if you see this, but the end fell off. Now this is on the other 4-pill section, okay? We had the entire 4-pill section gutted. The pills were all good.
I had to change the pill strips anyway.
He had to put new pill strips in there. So we stripped that side. We can't find anything wrong. So we started doing the other side. And he pulls these other 2 capacitors up. And this one here, the end, it fell off. So
yeah, it was
that's no good.
It probably lost its connection and freaking blew up my freaking stuff.
Anyway, we're going to put all
I'm going to
new
do what I
ones.
normally do. Put the real deal on there. 1,000 medals. Oh, wait.
I'm going to put 1,000 medals.
All right.
Just to be clear.
Okay.
Okay. Off.
What did we do? He's back.
Quit clowning around. Always clowning around. Okay, what we did?
Yes.
I don't know. Put new pill strips in here. Everything's got to be nice. You can't leave it hokey. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Checked all the pills are good over here. Put new 1000s on here. Metals. I don't like those little surface mount things. Especially the ones they had. They're very small.
Yeah.
I don't know the capacity, the voltage. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you know what goes through here? This is like the main thing. Okay? There's a lot of current, RF that goes through here, a lot of voltage.
Yeah.
Stuff.
And one of the ends fell off.
Yeah, it's nice. That makes me happy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cool stuff to this box. Having the power come up underneath the board here.
Yeah.
Chokes on there. Power going to the front. We did the bias, I'm not sure. Probably not gonna leave that. I need to use my 39s, I'm sorry. But anyways, this thing should, look at how much cleaner it is in here. It's unbelievable. And this isn't even done yet. These are all grounds. I'm gonna put these all together. All these grounds.
Yeah.
And put a sleeve on them. They'll be
Right.
back in here. Thing's clean as a whistle, man.
Oh, yeah.
The way it was ridiculous.
Yep.
But anyways, we're going to try it and see if it works. And either is or isn't. When I key it up, I think it's probably going to work. I think the 1000 went bad. And then it just went, it blew this resistor. It didn't heat up the 4-pill section separately.
Right.
So these, I think, are working. It's just where they combine together because the difference in capacitance between that one and that one is way off.
Right.
You know? So, but let's.
We gotta hook up the coax and be okay. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't drop it. Okay. This is not hooked up because it's now a straight 8.
Right.
Because he wants the sidebandish to work.
Yeah.
We don't know what is going to happen. It might work or she might blow up.
She might blow.
But we're going to find out. Pill pepper.
You want to put it on dummy load?
No. Maybe after. I want to make sure it's going to work on the antenna. That is pretty good swears right now, actually. Let's take the pill pepper. Check that first before we turn anything on. Pill pepper. Watt slug, 11111. And 1111115, 6 watts is all it's showing. Which makes no sense. But anyways, that's what it's doing.
Some don't even make sense around this junk.
1,000 watt RMS, 5,000 watt RMS, 10 watt and reverse field strength of watt.
Can't see it.
Oh. Warming up.
It's doing the same
Isn't
thing.
that crazy? It must be a pill bed in here.
Dang it.
I didn't want to pull them out because I thought maybe that would have resolved the issue. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Because this was bad. This 1,000. But it might have blown one. It was on here, so it might have. Was it on this one?
I don't remember.
Oh, Lord, be my mercy. But we'll have to pull them. Why are they warm? That's weird. Yeah, I just heat it once. Yeah, something's going on over here. These are warm. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't have happened that quick. And they're all like that, so it has to do with this entire circuit.
Good.
They're all grounded to the ground.
Back to the
Okay.
drawing board.
At least they're not grounded to the positive. That would have been a problem.
Right.
Yeah, I have to pull these. Okay, have a nice life.
We'll be back.
Bulb light.